Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 in the GT line specification. So this car's got 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The 7-inch touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 16,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.